So students, today we are going to start exercise 5b of factorization, and you know that we have already completed 5a, so we are going to start 5b. And I have already told you about the equations, what form an equations and what consists of an equations. We have already learned in the previous exercise and previous class also. So you know that what are variables and what are in their form, and I have told you that equation must contain a square and a number. Okay, so and don't panic, you may find another way of expressing an equation, so don't worry, I am going to solve each and every question of 5b. Okay, no problem, just we are going to start. Okay, so coming to the question number 1, we know that it is given a square plus 10a plus 24. Okay, so in this we can say this is in the form of an equation I have already told you. So how can we solve? Just keep in the mind that we have to just look the two numbers, or we can say the variables, which is first and the last one. So what we can do, if there is no number available here, so it is the easy step. What you have to do, just take the second number and just do the LCM. And when you are going to do LCM, just keep in mind that you have to find the 10. What I mean? I mean that 10 should come whether you do plus or minus. Just you keep in mind that you have to take the multiple and plus and minus in your mind. Okay, a square plus, what you do, 6 4 is 24 and 4 1 is 4, so 6 plus 4 will be 10, 6 plus 4 will be 10, and which 10 plus 10. Okay, and 6 into 4 will be 24, so both are in positive. And I told you have to keep in mind that 10 should come whether you are going to plus or you are going to minus. Okay, I'm just taking time for the first question. Okay, and then we will do just rapidly. Okay, so what you have to do, 6 plus 4, that will be 10, 6 to 24, a square, and just split it out, 6a and 4a plus 24. Okay, and then we have done in previous exercise that we grouping method, we have to just find the common one, so a is the common one and this will be the answer. And in this 4 a plus 6, so a plus 6 and a plus 4 will be your answer. No problem whether you are taking a plus 4 as a first or a plus 6 as a last, no problem, you can just, it is in multiple form now, so you can take whatever you want. This is your answer number first. And second a square minus 3a minus 40. Okay, now a square minus, again you have to take 40 as a number and then take LCM, and take your LCM in such a way that you can find 3, whether you are going to plus or you are going to minus, there no problem, just to do plus and minus, and just do an LCM and then take plus and minus. So here we can see that 8 5 is 40 or 5 8 40, no problem. Okay, so why I am taking 8 and 5, because 8 minus 5 will be 3. Okay, so 8 minus 5, and why I taking minus form, because minus 40 is there. So okay, a square minus 8a plus 5a minus 40, a square equals then we can just take the grouping method, a square and minus a is a common, so a minus 8, then with 5 a minus 8, a minus a is a common, then a plus 5 will be the remaining portion. Okay, come to the third question. Third question we are going to solve. Here in third question you will find that one minus 2a minus 3a square. Okay, so you can arrange in this form also, and you can do directly also, no problem. Whatever you want you can just take, no problem. Oh, then just look this form. If you are taking 3a as a first number, then you have to just take it of plus, and then it will be of plus and it will be of minus. Okay, then 3a square equals to 3 minus 1 will be 2, and 3a square, oh sorry, plus 3a minus 1a or a, we can write it a also, no problem. Then just take common 3a, so a plus 1 will be here and minus 1, so a plus 1 will be here, minus plus minus. Okay, a plus 1 and 3a minus 1. I expected you know this form minus plus minus also, because this is the only probability condition where you may find you may find any problem. Okay, just look at this third question and then fourth question. Okay, fourth question is a x square minus 3ax minus 88a square. Okay, so in this form you know that all variables are different, and here you may not find a number. Okay, so you can just take it as it is. Okay, no, don't change, just like the third question. And here you can write x square minus whatever what you have to do. Just keep in mind that you have 88 as a number which you will take LCM. So okay, 11 8 88 and 8 8, and 11 minus 8 will be 3. So 11 minus 8 will be 3. You can take this as a number. Okay, now x square minus 11a minus minus plus. Okay, this you have to keep in mind, minus minus plus. Okay, minus 88a square. So here taking again the exercise number 5a grouping method. Okay, so now x square and minus 11ax, x is common, so x minus 11a. Here you can find that 8 is a common, 8a is a common, sorry, x minus 11a, so x minus 11a and then x plus 8a. Okay, I hope this answer is right. If you are facing any problem, you may ask in the comment section, and you can call me also. I expect you know my number. 5 question. Okay, I do it here. Okay, no problem. 5 6a square minus a minus 15. This is simple. Okay, third and fourth you may find difficulty, you may ask, but I don't think so that it is that much difficult. Okay, 5 is simple. 6a square, you may find 6 here and you may find number here. So what you have to do, you have to multiply. Okay, this is the second form of question, which is you are going to memorize it, or you can just you can remember it. If you may find any number in the first question with the a square, you have to do multiply. Okay, 6 15s. Okay, what 5 6 30 0 3 90. Okay, so 90 you have to take the LCM of 90. So you have to take the LCM 90 in that form that you may get 1, whether you are going to plus or you are going to minus. So I think 10 sorry, and 10 9s are okay, 10 9s are 90 and 10 minus 9 will be 1. Okay, no problem. 6a square minus 10 minus 9 a minus 15, 6a square minus 10a plus minus minus will be plus, and then this. So again grouping method, 6 and 10, here we 6a, so you may find that what is the common. A is the common, I know, and then again what is the common, you can take 2. Okay, 2 3 just 6 a and 2 5 is 10. Then again what is the common, 3 a minus 5 is 15. So oh sorry, 3a minus 5 and 2a plus 3. Okay, then coming to the sixth question. Okay, now sixth question is 24a cube plus 37a square minus 5a. Okay, students, remember that I told you that you may find variables such as in the form of a square and x square, p square. So here you find that it is a cube, and also you may find that a is available with the both three variables. So what you have to do, you have to just take the common out. So you will take a is the common, then 24a square plus 37a minus 5. Okay, then again 27 into 5, 24 into 5, 120. Then 120 you will take LCM in such a way that you have to whether you do plus or minus, you have to take 37 as your number. Okay, so what you will do, you will just wait for a minute. 120, take the LCM. If you may find difficulty, you may take the number as simple as you want. For example, just you can do just like this. If you don't want to do just like this, then what you can do, you can just find the number. For an example, 37. Okay, so how you may find 37? 120 means 40 into 30. Okay, and 40 minus 30 will be 37. Okay, and how you are getting 40 here? 5 10 and 10 into 4 40, and here is 3 will be here. Okay, so you may find that 40 minus 3 will be 37 and 40 into 3 will be 120. Okay, and minus also, so no problem. 24a square plus 40 minus 3 a minus 5. Okay, a 2 24a square plus 40a minus 3a minus 5. Here what is the common? 8a, 3a plus 5, 3a plus 5, minus plus minus. Okay, and if you are taking small bracket here, so you will change this bracket as a curly bracket or a big bracket, no problem. Okay, I am just using this square bracket. You may use anything, curly bracket also. Okay, no problem. You can use from this part also, no problem. Okay, then 3a plus 5 and 8a minus 1. Okay, this will be your answer. Or if you are using this 2 bracket, you can remove this also. No problem. 7 question. It is not working. 7 question. Okay, 7 question. A 3a minus 2 minus 1. This is simple question. Okay, how you will do, you just multiply 2a minus 1. Okay, 3 1 are 3, going to multiply first number with the last number. Okay, so 3 1 3 and 3 minus 1 is 2. So it is very simple, no problem. It is not creating problem any. Okay, some sums are very simple, they are not creating any problem. Here 3a. Okay, sorry, seven questions. Again 8 question. 8 question. A square b square plus 8ab minus 9. Okay, here you may not find any number, so it is very easy. Taking 9 as LCM, 9 was a 9 and 9 minus 1 is 8, so 9 minus 1. Okay, and here is a hint. If you find a number with a negative form, so you can just take the idea that we are going to do minus, and 9 was a 9, so 9 minus 1 will be 8, and here 9 into minus 1 will be minus 9. Okay, it is very simple, beta. Very simple exercise. You may use 1 also, or you don't want to use 1, there will be no problem. Taking group again, A is a common, so sorry, AB is a common, so we find AB plus 9 and AB minus, if you are using, it will be here plus. Okay, AB plus 9 and AB minus 1. Okay, and then we are going to just solve 10 questions. Okay, and next 10 questions I will just solve in the second part. Okay, 3 minus a 4 plus 7a. Okay, so here minus 4a we are going to multiply. Okay, minus plus minus 7a square. So you may change or you can do directly also. Okay, 7 3 7 21. 21 you are taking LCM of 21, and just doing that form you may find 4. If you are going to plus or minus, no problem. Okay, so what I am going to do, 7 3 21 and 7 minus 3. Okay, you may do or not, you can just do 7 minus 3. Here what is the common? Nothing is common, so you can say that this is the common, and here a is the common, so 3 minus 7a. 3 minus 7a you are getting first, and 1 plus a you are getting here. Okay, I hope that my writing is good, because students say Bhaiya, your writing is not good. Okay, 10. 10th, what is the question? 2a plus b square minus 6a minus 3b. And it is my first video, so please student, don't complain. Okay, just adjust with me. Okay, you may not find my presentation good, but I will improve. Okay, it is my first video, so you may find any problem, just share with me. I will going to try that. I will solve it. Okay, no problem. Here you may assume the number as an p or x or a. Okay, guys, look here. A is the variable you have already given with. So don't take a and b. Other than a and b, you can take anything. So I am taking let 2a plus b as x square. So in the place of 2a plus b, we are going to use x square minus, and here again we may take common also. So here what is the common? 3. 2a plus b. Why plus? Minus plus minus. Okay, 2a plus b minus 4. So in the place of 2a plus b, again we can use x. So this is the form. Okay, now 4 1 is 4, and 4 minus 1 will be 3, and why minus? Because minus is here. Square minus 4x minus plus 1x minus 4. Okay, again this same grouping method, x minus 4, x minus 4, x minus 4. I am writing this as a x into. Okay, now again we are just substituting the value of x, because we have just assumed now 2a plus b is as x. So now again we are going to put the value of x, 2a plus b minus 4, sorry, and 2a plus b plus 1. Okay, this is your answer. Hope you guys like my video. If you don't like, then also no problem, just share with me, and I will improve. Okay, thanks.